Hi! When you start seeing strings of colored lights everywhere, you get excited because you know Christmas is near. Christmas lights strung on trees and houses and even cars. And today, well, we're going to string them on a clean and simple card using the Stampin' Up! Making Christmas Bright stamp set and coordinating Christmas Bulb Builder Punch. Because my Making Christmas Bright card is a clean and simple card, I was able to eliminate a step that makes it even quicker and easier to make. I'm Shelley Godby, the owner and CEO of Stamping Smiles, and for 17 years I've been teaching others how to create their own hand-stamped smiles. So I can't wait to show you the one little thing that makes my clean and simple Christmas card really shine. Here's a closer view of the Making Christmas Bright stamp set and coordinating Christmas Bulb Builder Punch. Both of these are from the 2018 Stampin' Up! Holiday Catalog. And when you order the two of these together using the special bundle item number I've listed right here, you'll save 10% on both. But look, you can make this bundle even more versatile with the Making Everyday Bright stamp set, also from the 2018 Holiday Catalog. Look, you have got stamps for so many other holidays. You've got what? Winter, Easter, Thanksgiving, Halloween, Valentine's Day, every day, more Easter, more Christmas, oh my goodness, and look, St. Patrick's Day, and more accessories to use with the Christmas bulb. Fantastic set. So while you're picking up the Making Christmas Bright bundle in my online store, make sure you pick up the Making Everyday Bright stamp set to go with it. I decided to use the Whisper White note cards and envelopes for my clean and simple Making Christmas Bright card, making it even quicker and easier to make because the note cards come cut and scored for you and include envelopes that fit perfectly. Now, these are made with the Whisper White thick cardstock, giving you a nice sturdy card base, but that same great finish of the Whisper White cardstock that takes ink for beautiful stamped images. So I start off stamping right on here, but then changed my mind and wanted to layer. So I have some Whisper White cardstock, and we're going to start with stamping our string. So I wanted a light color. So I'm using the Smoky Slate Classic Stampin' Pad. We're just going to lift up that lid and slide it in. And a quick swipe on my stamping sleeves in case I picked up ink from the pad opening it. And go ahead and ink this. And about right here will be perfect. Oh, there we go. Very nice. So to close it, just a little push from the back, pull on that lip and slide and hear that click. Okay. And so next, our greeting. I really like this. Friends make the season shine. Oh, I send a lot of cards. Most of my cards go to friends, a few to family. So I'm going to use the Call Me Clover. And this is one of the 2018-2020 in colors. Open it up and slide. Okay. And here we go. Ink this up. And look how well this fits right above our string for our lights. Oh, there we go. Wonderful. I'm going to leave that open because we'll use that again in just a bit, but still. Okay, there we go. And so when I was designing this card, I went through a lot of different renditions, and I start off by stamping and then punching it out because against color, I liked the white around it that it gave. Don't you like that? But once I decided to put it right down onto the white card, I thought, oh, well, that is unnecessary. So we'll just save a stamp and go right to the punching. So I've got my Christmas Bulb Builder Punch. Slide this to open it up, and we'll punch our 3 light bulbs. So Call Me Clover. And then we've got the Pineapple Punch, another one of the 2018-2020 in colors. And the third one also is one of those, the lovely lipstick. Fantastic. All right. And so then I needed the little tops for our Christmas bulb. So I got the silver foil sheet. And boy, save those scraps. They sure come in handy. For the metallics, a lot of times all you need is a little accent. So, okay, step over. And I like how you can even see the little crimped edges on here. And one more. So we've got our 3. Fantastic. Okay, so we've got our Pineapple Punch, and what'll probably make it easier to put these on would be to use the mini glue dots. Okay, so we'll take them out of here. Peel this back until we can see them in the light. You want to avoid touching if you can, because that takes away from their extreme stickiness if you touch them. So we take the paper to it, press down. There we go. And we'll put this right on here. And so in the catalog, they're showing them pushed down further, but every time I look at my bulbs, they seem to be up higher. So whatever makes you happy, that's where you should put them. Okay, and so then we're going to use the snail adhesive, finger where those ridges are, along the back right here. And I'm going to put this right up to my line, because it would be right on the line. There we go. Oh my goodness, cute, cute, cute. And so the same idea for these two, but to save a little bit of time, here we go. I've got that done. So the same thing, you know, put those on and put them on our line. How adorable is this? Oh my goodness. And so then, look at this cool stamp that comes with this. It looks like the lights are shining. So we'll start with the pineapple punch. All right. There we go, slide that in, ink it up, and it was easier to do this after they're on because it's photopolymer. I can see where I'm stamping. And look at that. Oh my goodness, I just love it. And so, you know, the color should be the color of the bulb, right? Because that's what would be shining. And so, but before we do the next two, we need to change the ink pads, but we need a color first. So what I have here is an empty stamp case for the wood mount stamp set. And then inside this simple chamois, easy for me to say. And so we'll clean this off. Okay, I know this looks terrible, doesn't it? But the ink stays on the chamois and doesn't get on our stamps. Wonderful. Okay, so then we'll change colors. I left that Call Me Clover open. Ink this up. Go over here and stamp. Ah, love it, love it, love it. So again, let's give this a close. Okay, quick swipe. I'll have a link to where you can pick up a pair of stamping sleeves yourself, so you're not smudging your cards either. Okay, all right. And then for our last color is the lovely lipstick. Pick that up, slide it in. Okay. Isn't that adorable? Because the first time I did those, I tried to do them without it there. It's so much easier with them there. Quick swipe. There we go. And then we'll clean this too. Let's do that so we're not putting it away dirty. Okay. Isn't that something? How the color stays there but doesn't come off onto your stamp. And then the reds and the browns, they like to stain. So I like to go ahead and spray that with Stampin' Mist, and it'll get off a lot of that. And then still clean it on my simple chamois. Okay, so isn't this adorable? I mean, no, clean and simple, I know, but so adorable. But we're gonna step it up with this little touch. So cool. This is diamond glaze. Now Stampin' Up! Used to carry Crystal Effects, so if you still have your Crystal Effects, that'll work. If not, I bought this to make sure it was the right thing, and I'll have a link with all the supplies to where you can pick this up. Okay, and so this is just the coolest stuff, and it's a really good adhesive. So we're gonna make our bulbs shiny, and you just move it around. And so you can put it on thin and just have a sheen, or the thicker you put it on, the more it'll look like a bulb, because it'll give it a 3D effect. Isn't that cool? Very cool. It doesn't take that terribly long to dry. So you would make these and do this and, you know, set it aside. I think it was about half an hour, but again, you know, that's going to change depending how thick you put it on. 'Cause I like it thick, so I get a 3D. Okay. Wow, this just really stepped it up. See how easy that is to do? And you can always go back and add more. And a bottle this size is going to last you a good while. I can't tell you exactly how many cards you could get, but I would think quite a few, because we're not using all that much. We're using that nozzle to spread it around. That is just fun, but the effect is amazing. So there we go. All right, love that stuff. And my husband will say, I need a good adhesive. I'm like, oh, wait a minute. And I would grab my crystal effects. Now, I've used that up, so now it's the diamond. And so here it is all done. Isn't that pretty? So all I did was layer with the silver foil sheets to coordinate with that. So a clean and simple card, but oh, the shine on those bulbs are awesome. So I'll have a link to my blog post with all the measurements so you can make my clean and simple Making Christmas Bright card, and adorable and simple. If you'd like to make my clean and simple Making Christmas Bright card, all the supplies are listed below the video and available to order now in my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. I'm Shelly Godby, teaching you how to create hand stamped smiles. Thanks for watching.